Welcome back to the channel. What if you could get paid every single month, while still staying invested in the stock market, and without needing to pick individual stocks or trade options yourself? In 2026, that's exactly why covered call ETFs are exploding in popularity. But here's the problem. Not all covered call ETFs are created equal. Some destroy NAV over time. Some sacrifice too much growth. And others quietly outperform, if you know what to look for. Today, I'm breaking down the 4 best covered call ETFs for 2026, picked SPYI, QDVO, QQQI. Will cover how each fund actually works, income potential and distribution style, growth versus income trade-offs, risks you must understand, and who each ETF is best for in 2026. This video is not hype, not financial advice, and not sponsored. It's education, so you can decide what belongs in your portfolio. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. Let's start with the basics. What is a covered call ETF? Before we talk about specific funds, you need to understand the engine behind them. Covered calls explained, simple terms: a covered call ETF owns a basket of stocks, like the S&P 500 or NASDAQ 100, sells call options against those holdings, collects option premiums, pays those premiums to shareholders as income. That option premium is what becomes your monthly or quarterly distribution. The trade-off: you gain income, you give up some upside during strong bull markets, but in sideways markets, volatile markets, mild bull markets, covered call strategies can outperform traditional index investing on a risk-adjusted basis. And 2026 looks exactly like that kind of environment. Why covered call ETFs make sense in 2026? Market conditions: higher for longer, interest rates, more volatility, slower but positive economic growth, stock returns likely less explosive than 2020 to 2021. Covered call ETFs thrive when volatility stays elevated, markets grind higher instead of exploding upward. Income investors are shifting: retirees, early retirees, cash flow investors, YouTubers, even institutions. They're all asking the same question: how do I generate income without selling shares? Covered call ETFs answer that question. gPix, the growth-friendly covered call ETF. What is gPix? gPix is a growth-oriented covered call ETF focused on high-quality U.S. large-cap stocks, partial call coverage, not 100%. This is critical. Why gPix is different: most covered call ETFs overwrite 100% of their portfolio. gPix does partial coverage, allowing more upside participation, less NAV erosion, better long-term total return potential, income profile, moderate yield, smoother distributions, less extreme payouts than yield max style funds. gPix is best for investors who want income and growth, younger investors building income early, long-term holders who hate NAV decay risks, lower yield than aggressive covered call ETF still caps upside in strong bull runs. gPix is a foundation ETF, not a hype ETF. SPYI, the S&P 500 income machine. What is SPYI? SPYI is a high-income S&P 500 covered call ETF that uses tax-efficient option strategies, targets consistent monthly income, maintains broad market exposure. Why SPYI stands out: SPYI doesn't just sell calls randomly. It uses index-level options, strategic expiration, smarter tax handling than many peers, income strength, strong monthly yield, designed for income sustainability, less erratic than many high-yield ETFs. NAV behavior: SPYI has shown better NAV stability, less long-term erosion than older covered call funds. SPYI is best for retirees needing monthly income. Portfolio income anchors investors, replacing bonds with income ETFs. Risks: limited upside in strong bull markets, can lag SPYI during rallies. SPYI is boring in the best way possible. QDVO, dividend plus options strategy. What is QDVO? QDVO blends Dividend paying stocks active covered call writing income stacking strategy. This ETF doesn't rely solely on options. Why QDVO is unique. You're getting dividends from holdings, option premiums on top of more balanced income stream, income characteristics, consistent distributions, less volatile payouts, lower risk of distribution cuts, growth potential. QDVO typically retains more upside than aggressive covered call ETFs, performs better in steady bull markets. QDVO is best for conservative income investors, dividend lovers transitioning to options, income risk averse retirees, risks lower yield than pure option ETFs, less excitement, more discipline. QDVO is the sleep well at night ETF. QQQI, Nasdaq income without yield, max risk. What is QQQI? QQQI is a Nasdaq 100 covered call ETF designed to generate high income, preserve more capital than aggressive strategies, avoid single stock concentration risk. Why QQQI is gaining attention? Unlike yield max funds, no single stock dependency, no extreme synthetic exposure, more predictable behavior, income profile, high monthly income, strong volatility capture, more sustainable than ultra high yield funds, growth trade-off, yes, upside is capped. But QQQI offers better long-term survival, less catastrophic drawdown risk. QQQI is best for Nasdaq lovers who want income, investors burned by single stock option ETFs, income portfolios needing tech exposure, risks tech downturns hurt more, still underperforms QQQ in explosive rallies. QQQI is income first, Nasdaq exposure. How to combine these four ETFs. Sample allocation. Example only 30% SPYI, core income 25% QQQI, high income plus tech 25% PIX, growth protection 20% QDVO, stability and AMP, dividends. This creates monthly income sector diversification, reduce NAV erosion risk. Risks you must understand. Covered call ETFs are not bonds, can lose value, can underperform in bull markets. They work best when income matters more than maximum growth. You reinvest or use cash flow wisely. You understand opportunity cost. In 2026, income investing is no longer optional. Covered call ETFs like PIX, SPYI, QDVO, QQQI offer a smarter way to generate cash flow without chasing dangerous yields. The key isn't picking just one. It's combining them intelligently. If you found value in this breakdown, like the video, subscribe for weekly ETF income strategies, and comment which covered call ETF you want analyzed next. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial professional before investing. See you in the next one.